I'll have to be honest with you guys, I'm very curious to see how this thing actually runs and what it can do. So I bought this extremely cheap, almost like not even mentioned, and it came with this engine. This is a two-stroke 60-pound Chinese finest engine. We just run it and it runs flawlessly. The idea with this thing is to put a different engine. Years ago, I actually bought a Lifan 125cc mini bike engine, and that was supposed to be built into a drift trike, but I never got around to it, blah blah blah. So the prime candidate for this Lifan 125cc 15 horsepower engine. But I really want to see proof of concept. I really want to use this engine. So we're gonna mount this little thing in there literally right now. Super easy, couple of plays, couple of this and that, and tension the chain, and we're gonna see if it runs. So to mount this engine, I think these are the mounting points. I already checked, it's all in line. I have these offcuts, 100 mil, but I think it's not thick enough, so we'll probably take two, weld them together so it's nice and thick, and then we bolt this to this, and then we can probably do two sort of slotted cuts so this can be adjusted. Well, the engine with it can be adjusted. And for welding, we're gonna use a new trusty MIG181 digital MIG welder from ARTLIST. As you've seen before in the previous video, this thing has easy setup, so you just choose your thickness, your wire, and you can literally go and get great results. For this one, however, I'm gonna switch this off and we're gonna go fully manual. I think I need around 19, something like that, and something like that. And it has a burn back function. I haven't tried it before. I'm actually quite curious to see what it does. So in fact, what you can do, burn back up to 2. Let's put 3. Beautiful. Absolutely marvelous. Love this welder. So good. So we have a plate. Let it cool down a little bit. Now we're just gonna take a little bit of cardboard, make a little quick template so we can drill 4 holes. I don't even think it needs 5. Does it? Maybe we can do 5. Bolt this on, and then we have that plate, and then we'll do the rest. So this is how it's going to sit. In fact, I don't think I even need to weld anything else. I can just drill a couple of holes, and the plate we just welded can literally just bolt onto it. That should be alright, right? So literally, just like that. I reckon this is good enough tension as a proof of concept, I reckon. And as you can see, yep, just like that. I mean, obviously when we put a bigger engine, it's not going to be like that, and maybe if this one works really well, this is not enough, but I think it's good enough for this. So attach the fuel tank, put the filter on, and we can start. So here we are, it's ready to go. We have throttle cable, we have on-off switch. I know, I even went through the whole thing because weirdly I didn't know. I mean, I've never really played with two-stroke engines, but in order to stop the engine, you need to ground it. There is a little wire. I didn't know that. Rob told me you need to ground it. So then there is a wire, so we just basically put it on the switch. So we have ignition switch. We have this fuel bottle thing. I am not sure how well this is mounted, but you know what? Shall we try?
easy.
Ah.
All right, popped off. Holy cow!
Good idea to tighten it probably.
Yeah.
12 seconds later.
Oh, I give it a little bit of, hold on.
Twenty minutes later.
Yes, I know. Even put a little insulation on the inside. I mean, I know it's not the prettiest of things, but it's pretty cool. Just a small little exhaust. You killed it.
No, I was trying to put more when it was something. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Oh. Right, I've had.
Yeah, something's not right. Yeah, you know what? Let's finish this one here. It's Sunday. People wanna, chill out, and we're just making all sorts of noises. This thing is really, really cool. I mean, obviously, all of this is super, super quick. Just to bolt it. I mean, we fixed it with 2 bolts yesterday, and now I just sort of made a new bracket, and now at least the tension is okay.
That's what she
and
said.
This is sort of welded and the new exhaust. Yeah, I'll play with it a little bit more in due course. Obviously, this engine is just not suitable. It came with it, so we're just sort of trial fitting it as a proof of concept. Steering needs to be adjusted because it's, I don't know, such a weird little thing, but it's cool as fuck. So yeah, I'll finish this one here. If you want to see more of these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what maybe you want me to do all custom carbon bodywork. Wink, wink. But yeah, I hope you like this one. Let me know what you think. Like this, send it to your nan, as always. I keep saying that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.